What's up guys, Tori here of Love Tori Beauty, and look what I got. Yes, it's the new Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. Check it out. Look at those gorgeous colors. I think we were all super excited when we found out about this launch. I also picked up the number 200 brush. I was in need of a brush about this size anyway, so I thought, why not try it out? It's nice and thin to handle, so I'm really excited. So why don't we just get started? My eyes have already been primed. I didn't pick up the primer. I'm going to use my own primer. And I wanted to go right on in with this shade right here in the middle. It's kind of a reddish orangey color. So I'm going to go in with this on my lid and just kind of also in the crease. And right away, oh my goodness, I can tell you, super pigmented. I mean, look at that. I've blended, that's just one dip, and it really packs a punch. I am loving this vibrant color. So I'm going in both eyes with this color. I think it's a really pretty color. I can't wait to use this palette in the fall too, by the way. I mean, the spices and just the change of the seasons, it's gonna be beautiful. But definitely gotta enjoy it right now. So I just went in with this color. Look at that. I mean, that could be a look in and of itself. And the brush is really good. Okay, so I've gone in with that, and I'm gonna go in now. Let's see, I just want to kind of play in it, you know? You mind? I want to go in it now with like this peachy color right above it, and I'm just gonna put this kind of just above it and see what that does to the color. And we're gonna put that on both sides. And again, I really like how this brush applies the product, and I love how well the color is going on. I'm impressed, Fenty. I'm impressed. Okay. I'm excited. I was gonna order it so that I could get like the free samples and things like that, but I decided to go into the Sephora inside JCPenney, and I forgot that I had linked my debit card to my Ebates account for in-store cashback, so I ended up getting 3% cash back from my purchase, which made it all the more worth it. Okay, anyway, you're here for makeup, not sales. Let's go in with maybe a darker shade, and this time I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M330 brush, and let's go in. Let's see what this brown looks like. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the brown in the corner of my eye and just kind of work that through. Pretty. Let's do the other side. And again, we're just going in the corner and just kind of working it over into the crease. I love how well these products apply. So that's what the brown added. So right now we've got 3 colors. I think we need something more to pop on the lid. So I'm gonna go in also with the Morphe brush. This is my B83 brush, and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit with my Prep and Prime to wet it. And let's go in, oh, so many pretty colors. Let's go in with this gold right here at the top and see how that looks on the lid. That's gorgeous. Wow. These colors are so rich and pigmented, and then there's such a nice variety in this palette. I mean, you can do so many different looks. Fenty. I love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna wet the brush again, and this time I want to go into the shade right next to it. It's kind of like a brighter gold shade, and I want to put that kind of in the middle. Okay, next I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is also Morphe. It's the M124. Let's take a little of this white pearlescent color and go, you know, across the brow bone. See how that looks. It reminds me of the MAC Pigments, but it's in the eyeshadow form. It's really, really pretty color. Ooh. I love it. This palette is $59. It's available at Sephora and also on the Fenty website. And I'm telling you, the way these colors go on, I know 59 might seem kind of high for a palette, but you can do so many different looks and the colors are so vivid and rich. All right, let's go in with this color down here, just below the first color I started with. I just want to see what else we can do to kind of build on this look. I see why they call it spicy. I'm loving these rich reddish oranges and burgundy colors. Really beautiful, really soft. It's funny, I really love the very first color I went in with. I want to put a little bit more of that just to really make it pop. And I love their brush. Their brush is good. And let's just top off just so we can see what it looks like. Let's use that last goldish color and go back. Ooh, ooh. Okay, we're going in the corner with this too. This is beautiful. So we went in, we basically did all three of the shimmers. 4 really, because we did the brow with it too. That is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in now with my Benefit Bad Gal Brow. Okay, so we've got our Eye Lure Wispies on. Let's go ahead and put some more shadow under the eye while we let the lashes dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that small Morphe brush again. This was M124. And I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade. This mirror is really on both sides. It's so soft. And then I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit of mascara. I'm not gonna use any liner on the... I didn't buy the Fenty liner. I'm gonna be using my NYX matte liquid liner because I can't give them all my money, y'all. I'm on a budget, really. Okay, so I'm gonna take my eyeliner. Folks, there you have it. Fenty Beauty. It's the Moroccan Spice palette. Highly, 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 highly recommend it. Love it. Perfect for on the go. Perfect for on vacations. Perfect for every day. Fenty does it again. Oh, how can I forget? We're going to finish up with the Mattemoiselle lipstick. This is the Candy Venom. This is one of my favorite colors. And we're done. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.